Our software has an advanced and fully integrated digital POLCA module. Where we sometimes call PROPOS the navigation system for the shop floor, you can see POLCA as the capacity signaling system that controls the workload. So, how does POLCA work? Imagine a bar. The bar may, due to law and regulations, only hold 50 people at a time. A guard at the entrance of the bar has 50 poker chips. Each guest gets one chip when he enters the bar. Once the guard runs out of chips, he cannot allow more people into the bar. When the guests leave the bar, they hand the chip back to the guard, triggering him to allow more people in. Just like the poker chips, there is a set amount of POLCA cards available for production. This way, you can never start too many jobs at once. POLCA prevents bottlenecks and guarantees an optimal flow of orders in your job shop. Do you work in a high-variety production environment where change is the only constant? Then PROPOS software is the solution you're looking for.